My name's Fiona and welcome back to Crafted by Rose. In today's video I have an unboxing for you. This unboxing comes to us from Diamond Art Club, and as we can tell by the pink stripe on the side, this kit is going to be around. This is a kit that I pre-ordered. It is a bit of an older kit, but when I went to order it, it was out of stock, so I pre-ordered it. Divine Instinct by Ravine Phelan. So this, as we said, is around. It is 56 centimeters by 71, so it's not too big and not too small. It's that perfect middle ground. And if you are working in inches, that is 22 inches by 28, and it does come with ABs. So let's get into this and have a look. So first up we have our toolkit. So this is Diamond Art Club's older toolkit. They have recently changed their toolkits and upgraded them. They're slowly being rolled out, so some of the kits you buy will still have the old toolkits like this one. With the toolkit you get your blue drill pen, then we have your blue squishy to go with your drill pen. You get a 4 multi-placer. You get 2 plates of the good heart-shaped wax. That'd be more than enough to do your diamond painting. I'd be very surprised if you get through one of those, let alone 2. Then you have your clear drill tray. And then finally you get some spare baggies. So that is our toolkit. Let's just put this away. The only difference with the round toolkit versus square is the square will have tweezers. Otherwise the toolkits are exactly the same. That's the toolkit done. Now onto our canvas. Diamond Art Club's canvases always come in this polythene bag. That helps to protect your kit from any dust or dirt, so that way you won't get any dust or dirt on your canvas. So if you have any pets, you haven't got to worry as long as it's in this bag. So let's roll this out. So at the top here we have Diamond Art Club's personal slogan, which is "Do what makes you sparkle." With Diamond Art Club's kits, they are, as we can see, they are poured glue, and the edges of their canvases are all serged, so that way you won't have the edges of your canvas fraying. You won't have to worry about that. You have your legend here on your top left. Let's work our way up. And you have another legend on your bottom right. Then down here you have the details of this particular diamond painting. So you have a copy of the image that you are going to be diamond painting. Then you have the SKU number, that's just for the company's reference. The name of your painting, Divine Instinct, and the measurements. You also get the social media details for Diamond Art Club. So you can share your makes on their Facebook page or on their Instagram page. It is also worth mentioning that their canvases come with a lifetime warranty. So your canvas, as it says here, your canvas comes with a lifetime warranty and free missing diamonds protection. So if you happen to spill any of your diamonds, so maybe your little helpers, whether that be your cats or your dogs, or your little ones happen to get their paws onto your drills and they knock them over, you haven't got to worry about trying to pick them all up and sort them into the right colour groups. If you just message the support team at Diamond Art Club, they will send out replacement drills to you. But just look how beautiful this canvas is. What drew me to this, I think initially, was the eyes. They just really seem to pop out of the canvas. The one thing that I plan on changing with this canvas when I do it is the moon here. I want to change out these white ABs into glow in the dark drills. That's just a personal preference change that I want to make. So this kit does have 44 colours in it. Let's get you into the drill field and have a look. Get you in a bit more. So as we can see, so far we're not having any problems with the symbol quality. Not that I've ever had any problems with that with Diamond Art Club, but it is just worth checking for your own peace of mind if you want to do that. It's not something I tend to do myself. I'm so used to their canvases being really good quality that it's not something that I always check beforehand. I don't feel the need to do it. But obviously if you've had a bad experience with other companies in the past, it may be something that you want to do. So our symbol quality is good. Let's zoom you out. So here we have our drills. So you will get your step-by-step diamond painting instructions. So you have your 9-step diamond painting instructions. So if you haven't diamond painted before, or you've put this canvas as a gift for someone else, they will know how to do that, and you do get a discount, another discount code. Then we have the small sticker that you can put into your logbook if you keep one, and that will give you the name of the painting, the artist, a small copy of the image, and the dimensions of the painting. So if you're, like I said, if you keep a logbook and you'd like to record when you started a canvas, when you ended it, and any other special details about that particular kit, then you can use that for that. Or you can use it on your box for storing away your canvas. You can just stick it on the end here or on the side, depending on how you store your canvases. So that's that one. And then we have our inventory sheet or schematic sheet. I've heard it referred to as both. So personally I just refer to it as my legend. So on here you will have the name of the painting, again, the artist, the ability to put in your start date and end date, a large copy of the image that you're about to diamond paint, the diamond shape, and the dimensions of the painting. You also get a list of all the colours in your painting, which for this one is 44 colours, and this kit does have in it, let's get you in there, so this kit has 3 ABs. With Diamond Art Club, anything under 150 is going to be an AB. So the good thing with Diamond Art Club's inventory sheet or legend is that theirs are on, if I can get this to peel up, theirs is on stick paper, so that makes things a lot easier when it comes to kitting up. You can just peel these off individually and put them onto your drill storage containers. That way kitting up's a lot quicker than having to either cut these out individually or photocopy the legend off of your canvas and then put it through your Xeon sticker maker. This way, how Diamond Art Club do it is a lot easier and quicker. And then we have our beautiful drills. So here we have the name of the painting again, Divine Instinct. So if you're a person that likes to store your canvas and drills separately, that way you can easily match up your drills to canvas. So you have your name and SKU there and name and SKU on your canvas. So let's get into these drills. let's do this small packet first, shall we? So we have a little bag of 209, 666, 3348, 415. Our first AB, which is 137. AB stands for Aurora Borealis. That's an iridescent coating that's applied onto your drills. It gives them an extra sparkle and shimmer. Then we have 333, 318, 3864, 728, 356, 3860, 640, 645, 3607, 898, 498, 782, 779. We have 3853. Nice hot pink, 915. Really like that pink. Then we have a pale blue, 3325. 3787, of a kind of an army green. 3799. 720. 977. A lovely purple, 3837. 780. And finally 3755. So that's that strip. Then we have a strip of 310. So 310 is our black. Look how clean and sparkly those drills are. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 hacks of 310. Let's go on to our next strip. So this is our final strip here. So first off we have a bag of 939, which is your dark navy, and we've got multiples. So let's see how many we have. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 bags of 939. Then we have 823. This is the lighter shade of navy. And we have multiples here as well. We have 1, 2, 3. We've got our 4 bags of 823. Then our next colour is a lovely blue. So this is 312. And we have just the 2 bags of the 312. Then we have 803, 3760. 154. I love this blue. 820. It's kind of like a nice royal blue. We've got 336, 798, 334, 814. My favourite shade of purple, 550. Although to be fair, all shades of purple are my favourite. I love purple. And then our second AB for this kit, I believe. Yes, second AB. So this is 141. It is your off-white. And with the off-white ABs, it's more of a shimmer than a sparkle, I tend to find. And then we have some 327. And finally, we have our final AB, which is 130, which I'm guessing is going to be going around the wolf's eyes. We'll soon find out. So that's the end of the drills. I'm now going to do a magic trick and put all those. So there we have our drills. So let's have a look where those AB drills are going to be going. So number 1, which is our bright yellow AB, it is going to be around the eyes here. Then we have a little bit under the eyes and a little bit under the chin here, second AB, which is the blue. Let's have a look. So number 2. Your number 2 AB is going to go in sprinkles all around the ears. And then our final AB is the 3, and the 3 is throughout the outline of top of the outline of the wolf's ears, all around the moon in the middle. And then there are some more sprinkled throughout at the bottom here. And then we have little sprinkles down here at the bottom. So the largest majority of the ABs is going to be your yellow. And then your next biggest one is going to be the 3, because that is sprinkled throughout the outline of the wolf. The blue, from what I am able to see, and I've looked all through this canvas, it is going to be mainly around the ears. So that has been our Divine Instinct canvas. I hope you've enjoyed looking at this kit as much as I have. I'm very much interested to see what this will look like completed once it has all the ABs in place. And like I said, I do plan on swapping out the ABs in the moon for some glow in the dark drills, which I think will just make that pop that little bit more. I do hope you've enjoyed looking at this kit as much as I have enjoyed showing it to you. If you would like to see more content like this, then please do click onto the subscribe button. If, however, you are already subscribed, then make sure you have your notifications bell turned on. That way you will get a notification of when I upload another video. So with that said, thank you for joining me today, and I hope to see you all next time. Bye!